Hey guys, this is Scooter ATV Sales here, January 2019, just showcasing our latest units in stock now, ready and looking for a new home. We got all the fun kids toys here at all affordable pricing. We got the popular 125D kids ATV. We got also larger size adults, the Bull 200, the Cheetah, very popular Cheetah model, sport model. Rear rack. Then we have a nice lineup of affordable helmets coming down to our mopeds, scooters, 150s, a variety of different models. And also we have the fun kids go-karts. We got the GK 110 by Tao Tao and also the very popular Jeep model. So come down and check us out. We got a full service department, repair service in all Chinese models and others, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.